You've been invisible long enough. Stop dressing like an afterthought. Stop shrinking yourself. Stop playing small. You're 40, 50, 60, and you're just getting started. For decades, the world told you to fade, to blend in, to dress your age, to be less, to apologize for existing. Well, we're done listening. It's time to command the room. Your body isn't something to hide. It's a statement. Your presence isn't negotiable. Your power isn't optional. Every scar, every line, every gray hair, that's your credentials. That's your authority. That's your proof that you've survived, thrived, and earned the right to take up space. Forget trends. Forget following. Forget being told what looks good on you. You already know. You've lived long enough to know exactly what makes you feel unstoppable. A perfect white shirt isn't boring. It's a weapon. A leather belt isn't an accessory. It's armor. Quality fabric isn't a luxury. It's a non-negotiable. Color that makes your eyes pop. Shoes that make you stand tall. Confidence that makes people turn their heads as you walk by. This isn't vanity. This is power. This is knowing who you are and refusing to apologize for it. Women your age don't fade away. They light up rooms. They command attention. They inspire envy. They lead. Because you're not trying to look young. You're not competing with anyone. You're simply being the best version of yourself, unapologetically. Your style is your signature. Your presence is your power. Your age is your advantage. So stop waiting for permission. Stop seeking approval. Stop being less than you are. Walk into that room. Wear that outfit. Own that moment. Because the world needs to see what a powerful woman looks like. And that woman is you. Right now, today, as you are.